My friend, can I ask you something personal? Have you noticed your eyes aren't as sharp as they used to be? Maybe the letters on the newspaper look a little fuzzy, or driving at night feels harder than before. Or maybe it's not just your eyes, it's your memory too. You walk into a room and forget why you are there. Or you misplace your glasses, and after 10 minutes of searching, they are right on your head. Don't worry, you are not alone. This happens to so many of us as we get older. But here's the truth. What if I told you there are simple natural foods, no pills, no fancy treatment, that you can eat before bed to repair your eyes and strengthen your memory while you sleep? And the best part, they are foods you probably already have in your kitchen. Let me share them with you because they've helped countless seniors and they might just help you too. As we check out these fruits, please take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Green Health channel, and remember to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever there is a new upload on this channel. First up, let's talk about almonds. My friend, almonds are like tiny soldiers for your eyes. They are packed with vitamin E, which acts like a protective shield against the wear and tear that happens as we age. Think of it as giving your eyes a little night watchman while you sleep. And here's something many people don't know. Almonds also contain riboflavin and L-carnitine, two nutrients that help protect not just your eyes, but also your brain cells. That means they work on both sides. They keep your vision clearer and they keep your memory sharper. I always tell people, instead of a late night snack of cookies or chips, try soaking 4 to 5 almonds in water and eating them before bed. It's such a simple habit, but it gives your body the building blocks it needs to repair eye tissues overnight. Imagine waking up with eyes that feel less strained and a mind that is more alert. That's what almonds can do for you. Now, let's move on to walnuts. Every time I see a walnut, I can't help but smile because it looks exactly like a little brain. And that's nature's way of telling us something. Walnuts are true brain food. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are like oil for the engine of your brain. They keep your brain cells connected, help them talk to each other more clearly, and even reduce the inflammation that often comes with aging. This is why walnuts are so powerful for memory, focus, and mental clarity. But here's the part I love the most. Walnuts actually help with better sleep too. They contain a natural compound called melatonin, which is the hormone your body uses to fall asleep and stay asleep. And you know what happens when you get deep, restful sleep? Your brain does its best repair work. So if you've been having trouble sleeping or noticing your memory fading, just 2 to 3 walnuts before bed could make a world of difference. It's like giving your brain a gentle tune up while you rest. Now, my friend, let's talk about dates. I know what you are thinking, but aren't dates just sweet little treats? Yes, they are sweet, but don't let that fool you. Dates are packed with natural sugars like glucose and fructose, the exact fuel your brain runs on. You see, as we get older, many of us feel tired by evening or our brain feels foggy. That's because our brain is hungry for energy. A couple of dates before bed can gently feed your brain, giving it the energy it needs to work while you rest. But here's the magic. Dates aren't just sugar. They are loaded with potassium and magnesium, minerals that improve blood circulation. And good blood flow means your brain and eyes are getting the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay healthy. On top of that, dates contain vitamin B6, which helps your brain produce the chemicals that keep your memory sharp and your mood steady. So, one or two dates before bed isn't just a sweet bite, it's like a midnight care package for your brain and your eyes. And finally, we have raisins. They may be small, but they are mighty when it comes to healing. Raisins are full of antioxidants that work through the night to repair damage in your eye cells caused by stress, pollution, and even aging. They are also rich in iron, which is so important because iron carries oxygen in your blood. And what happens when your eyes and brain get more oxygen? They stay sharp, awake, and nourished. Here's something most people don't know. Raisins also contains a mineral called boron. This little nutrient helps your memory, your focus, and even your coordination. It's like a natural brain booster built into a tiny raisin. So, if you've been feeling forgetful or struggling with tired eyes, a small handful of raisins before bed could make a real difference. It's such a simple habit, but it helps your body do its best, healing while you sleep. Now, you might be wondering, why do I keep saying you should eat these dry fruits before bed? Well, here's the secret. Nighttime is when your body does its best repair work. While you sleep, your brain clears out waste, your eyes recover from the day's strain, and your memory files away all the things you learned. But this repair process needs the right nutrients, and that is exactly what almonds, walnuts, dates, and raisins provide. By eating them at night, you are giving your body the tools it needs right before it gets to work. It's like handing a repairman a full toolbox before he starts fixing your house. So it's not just what you eat, it's when you eat it that makes the biggest difference. So, my dear friend, let's put it all together. Almonds, walnuts, dates, and raisins. Four simple dry fruits, affordable and easy to find, yet powerful enough to protect your eyes, sharpen your memory, and nourish your brain, all while you sleep. You don't need fancy supplements or complicated treatments. Sometimes the simplest habits are the most powerful. Just a handful of these dry fruits before bed could be the little change that keeps you reading clearly, remembering more, and enjoying life with confidence. Remember, your body is still capable of healing no matter your age. Give it the right fuel, and it will thank you every single morning. So, why not start tonight? Your future self will be so glad you did. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Always remember that green out cares.